to topic 2. So you survived topic 1. Congratulations. You understand now the requirements. The reading is always going to be essential. So if you're struggling with getting that reading done, I really, really recommend getting up 30 minutes early. It's hard, especially at first, especially if you go cold turkey, so to speak, and you just pull the trigger and start tomorrow 30 minutes early. It's a little bit of a shock to your system, but I just really recommend that if you're struggling with finding that time. If you do it all 7 days of the week, it adds 3.5 hours of reading time to your week. It can make a huge difference. I struggled with disciplining myself to do it. This morning, I did not get up till 5:30. I should have been up at 5. So I understand, but it really does make a huge difference. Okay, so this week we're looking at the American Revolution and the founding era. Your first discussion, you're looking at Enlightenment thinkers. Those are people like John Locke, who inspired parts of the Declaration of Independence. People like Montesquieu, who inspired the separation of powers and really inspired our 3 branches of government that we have. People like Rousseau and Voltaire. You see a lot of Voltaire's ideas in the Bill of Rights. So you can pick any Enlightenment thinker, but I think it's nice to pick one that has something to do with our founding documents because those are things that affect us every day. They're part of our lives. All right, then discussion question 2, you're looking at why did Great Britain lose the war? Well, one of the main reasons might be they were across an ocean from the theater of war. When you're that far removed, especially in that time, there were no satellite phones, cell phones. Communication alone would have taken forever. If you needed something immediately, it would have taken forever. It had to come across a whole ocean. There were no airplanes. It is floating across the ocean in a ship. So, and then the perils and whatever. So many, the deck was stacked against them. So just distance and logistics alone. But see what you think and respond to discussion question 2. Then for your assignment, it's the American Revolution and founding era. You're doing a timeline. Use the templates. Pay attention to the word counts and the source requirements. Please reach out with any issues and remember participation all week long. Have a great week.